Hey everyone, how you doing? Today's video is about 10 of the best adjectives you can use in your Midjourney prompt. These adjectives come from a list made by somebody in the Midjourney community. Unfortunately, I don't know who made it, but just want to give a shout out to them. Great stuff. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll show you which words will alter your image the most. To start, we have the default. Here is just the word octopus. Now I like the 4 images it gave, so I looked up the seed and then use that same seed in each of the upcoming images. First, we have an Eldritch octopus. Now this is using the same seed so you can see just how much the word Eldritch will affect the pictures. It made it quite spooky and dark, added some purple. Look at the shadows in number 1 and look at just the vibe of number 3. Epic. The next adjective is cheerful. And is there a better example than number 1? Look at that smile. Crest white strips would be proud. And number 2, look how cute that is. He's so cheerful. Is his nose a heart? You know, that's one of my favorite things. Number 3 looks like he just woke up from a nap. And I love the colors in number 4. Next is the adjective energetic. And look at the difference just one word makes. Look at the colors it brings into the picture. Number 2 is amazing. And number 3 he looks kind of sad, but I like the colors. And look at the colors in number 4. Honestly, they're all incredible. The power of words. Here we have an entrancing octopus. Number 1 kind of looks like a gremlin. Number 2, love the color. 4, I love the color. Look at the blue and then the purple and then the sort of reddish purple and then the lighter peach color. These are amazing. Next we have Enraged. And the furrow of the brows in every picture. Look how amazing that. How does it do that? How is it so good? Oh, I love Midjourney so much. If you're looking for this type of expression, go with the word enraged. Next is Fantastical. And I'm not quite sure what it did other than add some colors. Look at the background in number 4. Just awesome. And I mean, the colors in number 2 are amazing as well, even the little details in number 1. And to be honest, I like the whole vibe of number 3. That is pretty fantastical. And then we have a fiery octopus. Pretty cool. Look at this guy's a firebender. Love it in number 1. Love number 3. He is the flame himself. Here's a fluffy octopus looking like an 1800s president right here. Look at his hair. It's so cool. I love number 4 and number 2. Which one's your favorite? And here we have a ghastly octopus. It added some darker colors, added a vibe of spookiness, even though his face is still pretty cute. You can tell just the whole essence of the photo has changed. I'm not really going to comment on number 1 or number 3. And the last adjective I think you should use in your Midjourney prompt is glitched. Look what it does. It's kind of pixelated, but also not exactly. I think number 3 is a good example of glitch, but oh my god, look how good number 2 is, and look how good number 4 is. So there you have it. There's 10 adjectives I think you should use to change up your Midjourney prompts. Look how powerful they are. If you like this video, subscribe so you don't miss more hot tips and tricks like this. Hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time.